Hi viewers, welcome to Crazy Crochet Work. In today's video, I present to you some beautiful crochet pillow cover designs model. Let's start the video. A crochet pillow cover is a decorative or functional covering for a pillow that is created using crochet techniques. Crochet is a form of needlework that involves using a hooked needle, a crochet hook, to interlock loops of yarn, thread, or other materials. Features of a crochet pillow cover design variety. They come in a wide range of patterns, from simple stitches to complex designs like legwork, cables, or floral motifs. Customization. You can create custom sizes, colors, and styles to match home decor. Materials typically made using yarn, which can range from cotton and wool to synthetic blades, depending on durability and texture preferences. Closures. The cover may include zippers, buttons, or overlapping flaps to secure the pillow inside. Purpose. These covers are used for decorative purposes, to provide extra cushioning, or to protect pillow form or untouched. Crochet pillow covers are often handmade, making them unique and ideal for adding a touch of craftsmanship and warmth to any space. Here are some helpful tips to creating a crochet pillow cover. First, plan your design. Choose a pattern. Select a pattern that suits your skill level and complements your home decor. Beginners can start with simple stitches like single or double crochet. Pick the size. Adjust your pillow insert to ensure the cover fits snugly. Decide on closer type. Options include zippers, buttons, or an envelope style closer. Select the right materials. Yarns. Choose the double yarn type. Cotton works well for durability, while wool or acrylic is great for texture and warmth. Hook size. Match your crochet hook size to the yarn width for even stitches. Pillow insert. Use a frame pillow insert for better shape retention. Practice cut. Crochet the swatch to check your stitch size and tension. Adjust your hook size if necessary to achieve the desired dimensions. Work in panels. Front panels. This can be a decorative design like granny skirts, intricate motifs, or a single texture pieces. Back panel, often simpler, it can be a solid piece or use the same pattern as the front. Assemble carefully. Lock your panels to ensure they are the same size and shape. Seams the edge neatly using whip stitch, single crochet, or slip stitch for a polished look. At a steer closer method, buttons are cheaper. Add personal touches, experiment with color changes, textured stitches, or applique for added interest. Incorporate tassels, pom-poms, or rings for extra flair. Care instructions. Use washable air if you plan to wash the cover often. Follow the care instructions for your ear type to prevent streaking or wrapping. Design and creativity. Mix patterns. Combine different stitch patterns or pictures like bubbles, cables, or leg for a unique look. Use color gradients. Experiment with ombre effects or variegated yarns for eye-catching designs. Try granny scarves. Use colorful granny scarves for a vintage or boho aesthetic. You can make a single large scarf or several small ones joined together. Personalization. Add monograms, names, or themed motifs. Customize your pillow cover. Practical tips for construction. Reinforced edges. To prevent stressing, consider using charter stitches or reinforce the edge with slip stitches. Double layers. For extra durability, consider making double layers, panels, or lining the inside with fabric. Avoid gaps. Use smaller hook or tighter stitches for the back panel if you are using a stuffing inside instead of a pillow form. By combining creativity and attention to detail, you can make beautiful and functional crochet pillow covers that add a handmade charm to your space. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe our channel. Happy crocheting!